Supporting this move to $1.47 is into the blocks global and or out of the money GEOM model, which shows a significant cluster of underwater investors present from $1.43 to $1.60. Here, roughly 408,000 addresses purchase 5.2 billion ADA and are out of the money. While Cardano price can push through to these levels, it is unlikely to sustain here, as these holders might want to break even. Welcome to my channel. In the video today, we will be discussing a possible fact regarding Cardano having a bullish price in 2022, and also happy to tell you guys the first usable Cardano DeFi dApps goes live today. But before we dive into the video, let's highlight some key points. Cardano price has formed a bottom reversal pattern, suggesting a 14% rally is likely. On-chain metrics suggest this run-up is likely but not sustainable. A breakdown of the $1.20 support level will invalidate the bullish thesis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell icon so as to know whenever we post a new video like this. With that being said, let's get to the video. Cardano price, like Solana, has set up a bottom reversal pattern, indicating a trend change is likely. A bounce off the immediate support floor will kickstart the bullish outlook for ADA and propel it to retest a crucial resistance barrier. Cardano price to go against the wind. Cardano price tagged the $1.29 support level thrice since December 29, 2021. Resulting in a triple bottom setup. This technical formation suggests that the downtrend is at an end and that a new uptrend is likely. The journey toward north is plagued with resistance levels at $1.42, $1.47, and $1.50, indicating that ADA will face an arduous time. Despite the headwinds, ADA will likely rally 13% to retest a 50-day simple moving average, SMA at $1.47. Supporting this move to $1.47 is into the blocks global and / out of the money GEOM model, which shows a significant cluster of underwater investors present from $1.43 to $1.60. Here, roughly 408,000 addresses purchase 5.2 billion ADA and are out of the money. While Cardano price can push through to these levels, it is unlikely to sustain here, as these holders might want to break even. Further depicting the long-term bearish outlook for Cardano price is the steady decline in the number of large transactions worth $100,000 or more since November 1. These transfers, which serve as a proxy to institutional investors, have dropped from 6,630 on November 1 to 2,730 on January 3, representing a 58% drop, revealing the disinterest in ADA. While things are looking up for Cardano price from a short-term perspective, the long-term outlook looks dreadful. A breakdown of the $1.20 support level will invalidate the bullish thesis and could trigger a 12% crash to the $1.05 support level. The first usable Cardano DeFi dApp goes live, and it's not Sunday Swap. Cardano's DeFi ecosystem gets off to a start in the new year with a total value locked of $845 over 2 days. Data aggregator DeFi Llama adds Cardano, marking the start of the project's foray into decentralized finance. This happened thanks to an under-the-radar DeFi offering going live at the beginning of the new year. Recently, Cardano has been feeling the heat over its lack of usable dApps. Critics say it's been around 4 months since the chain had smart contract functionality, and still, the ecosystem is struggling to gain traction. Throughout this period, Input-Output IO CEO Charles Hoskinson addressed these concerns. Most recently, during an end-of-year live stream, Hoskinson said a huge DeFi ecosystem is starting to present itself. Nonetheless, the skeptics among us would say talk is cheap, and that Hoskinson's words do not support a functioning, usable dApp ecosystem of significance. However, 2 days after posting the live stream in question, Cardano gets its first usable DeFi dApp. Cardano DeFi is officially here. Since Alonzo went live on September 12, the Cardano ecosystem has been under pressure to grow. Hundreds of projects across DEX, wallets, DeFi, meme coins, stablecoins, oracles, and NFT, to name a few categories, are in the works. Given Sunday Swap's high-publicized testnet at the start of December, not to mention IO collaboration with the team to ensure smooth testnet, may assume Sunday Swap would be the first usable DeFi dApp to go live. However, a month on, Sunday Swap is not ready for its mainnet launch. Other contenders for the first usable DeFi dApp include Ergo and Liquid, but leapfrogging them all was Muesli Swap, which, according to DeFi Llama, went live on January 2 and currently has a total value lock TVL of $845,000, accounting for 100% of the Cardano DeFi ecosystem. Muesli Swap is a DEX with Launchpad functionality that also runs on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. This ranks Cardano 78th out of 87 blockchains listed on DeFi Llama, placing it above little-known chains such as Ubiq, Who, and Liquid Chain. Placing first is Ethereum with $158 billion TVL. In contrast, Terra ranks second, way behind Ethereum and TVL, with a value locked of $20 billion. As such, Cardano has a mountain to climb in terms of living up to its Ethereum killer label. The work isn't done yet. While it's encouraging that Cardano is now off the line, in his most recent live stream, Hoskinson said there's more to come in 2022. Specifically, Hoskinson referred to finding a sweet spot of expressiveness as a community. In other words, while the foundation is in place, IO still needs to refine the protocol, ensuring DeFi is the best it can be. This entails developing better scalability, more interoperability, and working on governance. Cardano is our attempt as a community to try to reflect that, evolve that, and push it along, and there's a little bit of sprinkled magic and scalability and a lot of discussion about interoperability and identity and a lot of work done on governance. His overall take-home message highlighted the scale of work that has gone into Cardano to date and what's to come in terms of future-proofing. That way, the community can be assured that the project has efficacy for decades to come, if not indefinitely, due to its governance setup.
Disclaimer. It's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets remain extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates. As such, analysts can and do get their predictions wrong. We recommend that you always do your own research and consider the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Kindly subscribe to this channel for cryptocurrency updates like this. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.